All right, guys, end of day, July 11th, I say. All right, so this is what we are doing is we're skirting off this deck, all sections for a finished off effect. And then this trim piece right here, this is fascia for that. So all this gets covered, and then we drop another trim board down below. So our stairs are skirted, and then this side skirted, so this all gets trimmed out as well. I'm working on the trim piece. This is actually cut to length and notched and ready to rock, so I'm pretty stoked about that, because that's one of the hardest parts about my staircases is getting the side trim made and ready for mounting. So that's done. We got a lot of the skirting done here. We're putting a gate in right here, which is kind of cool. It's underneath the waterproof bladder, so even though this deck's not bladdered, it's still going to be pretty dry. So the homeowner wanted a spot where he could go in and put some of his things in there. Skirting's all done here, and around the corner I'd show you that, but the gate's blocked so the dog can't get out. But we're actually going to come in and install at a proper height. We're going to do a little matching AZEK fence section for a few boards right here. I'm just going to 90 off the deck and go this way, I think, right into that post. So that'll look nice. So tomorrow we can start covering this up and putting our upper fascia boards on. I think we might run out of supplies. But anyway, that's all I got for you today. So have a good night. Over and out.